Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you guys are wondering, I am currently sitting in my new closet. So I haven't unpacked my closet and got that all organized. It's long overdue. We're finally doing it today. Today I thought I would bring you guys along and share with you everything I do to organize my new closet, put away all my clothes, and kind of share with you guys the process and do like a little clean with me. This may take longer than a day, so I may have to film this probably in 2 days. Hopefully I can get it done today, but knowing me, probably not. There's a lot to unpack and get organized, and I'm so happy to finally just have my closet all done and ready because I've been living out of boxes for way too long. Thumbs up if you guys like it. If you guys haven't seen my house tour, I will link it above and also down below. And on that note, let's get to cleaning and organizing. To start off, I thought I would give you a little bit of a closet tour. So this is actually the first closet in the master bedroom. This is just the layout. It definitely is a really nice size. I've never had a walk-in closet, so I'm super excited about that. As you can see, straight ahead is just a nice big window. It adds a lot of light. I love having a window in the closet. I think that's so nice, and I never thought I would be able to have one. Then over here we have the rack on one wall, which I'm probably gonna organize it and put like pants on one section, and then on the other section put more like jackets and tops. So over here is the second rack, and as you can see, I have a bunch of these velvet hangers. So I actually bought a bunch of these off Amazon. I will try to link them down below because they were the best I was able to find for the price, but I wanted all my hangers this time to match and not be mismatched. I just think it looks a lot more sleek and organized when all the hangers match. So I just went with the velvet black and also the silver little heads. They did have gold, rose gold, so it really depends on what your style and what your theme is gonna be. You can totally go for whichever colors, but these are the ones I went for. But that is just a quick overview of the closet. I'm also going to vacuum the floors once I'm done putting all the clothes in as well, because I do have carpet. It's kind of this nice like light beige color, which I really like. It makes the space a lot brighter and it's super comfy. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the spare room. That's where all our boxes and storage currently is. It's a total mess, but I'm so excited to finally start unpacking those boxes. These are some of the boxes. I also have a bunch over there. It is currently honestly a mess because I was looking for something the other day, so I went rampage opening all the boxes. It was previously so organized and nice. Not anymore, but it's okay because we're finally gonna start unpacking. So a bunch of these big bins are really the bins that have all of my clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably take certain ones at a time. If you guys did watch my moving vlog, I did label everything, which makes it so much easier to unpack. As you can see, it's labeled like pants, denim, and jackets. Over there is the tanks and t-shirts. I'm just gonna go off of that and start bringing in maybe certain tops first, and then we'll move on to the pants. I brought a few of the boxes into the closet, and I think I'm gonna start unpacking them first before I bring anything else. Over on this side, I just have the tops. So I have jackets and tops, and then over here are more shirts that were in my previous closet. And then down here are pants and denim jackets. I'm probably gonna bring also my leggings and kind of athleisure wear here as well. For now, I'm just going to take these all out of the packages and start hanging things up. Tags all off. I'm just gonna put everything right now on the hangers, and then we will go ahead and coordinate it. It's just a lot easier because they're all mixed up. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'll keep you guys updated. pretty much have everything hung up on this side, and then I also have a lot of my stuff hung up here. Now I'm just gonna go through and color coordinate it, and then I'm gonna start putting away my other little things. I have a few bins. I got these white bins from actually the dollar store. I really like them, so I just put a few PJ tops on here, and then this bin over here, I just put kind of like my leggings. Instead of hanging them up, I just decided to put them in this bin. And then I have one more of these, which I'm probably going to put some miscellaneous things. I'll end up putting them probably on the top here. I just finished that section of the tops. I tried to color coordinate it as best as I can, and then over there where the jackets are, I went ahead and color coordinated that. Now I'm just gonna quickly move on to the pants. Going to try and color coordinate it. I don't have any of those pant buckles, so I still just use these velvet hangers. And then this is actually from back home. It's just my belt hangers, so I went ahead and put it on this side. I went ahead and brought this bin from the old house, and I'm going to organize it from like bras, underwear, and socks. I actually packed a lot of my bras and underwear and things like that in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead, empty this out, organize it within the 3 bins, and then just place it underneath where the shirt section is. Brought more things into the closet. A bunch of these are just my sweatshirts, and for now I'm gonna start to hang them up over in that section just because I've been wearing my sweatshirts a lot lately and I currently don't have my dresser yet, so I thought I would hang some of those up. And then I also brought some of my PJ tops and pants that I wear at nighttime. Like I said, I don't have my dresser, so I'm gonna put some of my kind of like loungewear in that little bin. I went ahead and took everything out of my closet that was on the grounds over here. And now I am just gonna go in with my Dyson and vacuum the entirety of the closet. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back, and I will be complete, and then I'll share with you guys kind of like the final product. This is how the bottom is looking over here. I just got these 2 bins from Winners, just storing kind of like my backpacks in here, as well as like overnight bags I stored in here. And over here, this 3-drawer organization bin just has my bras, underwear, socks, and I actually just put my Kate Spade purse there for now. And then over here, this bin, I just kind of have like my loungewear slash t-shirt, kind of like PJs pretty much for now until I get my dresser. It's just easily accessible. I didn't really want to hang them up. And then this laundry basket is just for, of course, when I have my dirty clothes, I put it in here. So whenever I have dirty clothes, I could just throw them in there right away. I believe I also got that from like Winners or Marshalls. Over on this section, just have these 3 white bins, the ones I got from Dollarama. And here is my like leggings and workout clothes. Over here, I ended up putting more t-shirts, like sleep shirts, and then these are more of my purses. And then of course I have my box to my Saint Laurent purse. And then this bin over here is also from Winners, and that also has my like crossbody and clutches. Love the way it turned out. So happy my closet is finally done. It feels so much better. I love how organized it is, and I can't wait till I eventually can kind of like do up my closet one day. But for now, I am so happy with how it turned out. Thumbs up if you guys like this video. Want me to do more clean with you videos slash organization videos. I've been super into organizing lately, so definitely let me know. With that being said, don't forget to click the subscribe button because I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. Turn on the bell to make sure you're notified every single time I do drop a video. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!